Designed to conform to MIL DTL 3950G requirements for environmentally sealed toggle switches, Carling Technologies' ST Series features innovative design and performance principles sure to withstand the most demanding applications. The toggle seal is composed of dynamic silicone material that bonds to the metal toggle, pin, and bushing, providing ideal protection against the environment, vibration, and shock, while withstanding extreme temperature variations. The ST Series also uses terminal seals for maximum sealing protection. An optional O-ring assures additional under-panel sealing protection. The rugged base features outside and inside barriers that comply with UL electrical spacing requirements. It also features a grooved channel which perfectly fits the toggle assembly seal. The ST Series is ideal for military equipment, off-highway vehicles, or any application requiring stringent sealing performance capabilities. Download the datasheet or contact us today for complete product details.